Hello, everybody. We're going to do a quick, brief overview on how you can set up your auto pay, which is the newest benefit of the Howard County Association of Realtors. So first, you would log into your member portal on the website featured here. Once you've put in your username and password, you will come across your dashboard. Now, under your dashboard, you are going to have your update your profile button on the left-hand side. You'll have your personal information here, but you're going to go down to Setup HCAR Annual Dues Auto Pay. As you're going through this form, please do read over the frequently asked questions regarding auto pay. Once you've read above information, please certify that you have and move to the next page. Once you're on the next page, you're going to read over the RPAC contribution information as well as the dues automatic payment agreement. After you've read and understood all of the clauses of the agreement, please fill in your personal information and your NRDS number in order to submit. Now, if you don't enter something, it will require you to. And then once you have successfully submitted your form, you're going to want to go down and actually update your payment information. But before we do that, let me show you the dashboard. Once you go back to your dashboard, you're going to see you are signed up for automatic dues payments, but you have not created a payment profile. You can create a payment profile by clicking Update Your Profile, Payment Information. So we're going to go back in, Update Your Profile, Payment Information, and then you would enter your payment information. Ignore it. And then you would update your profile. Once you've updated your profile with the valid credit card information, you can always remove the current profile, enter your new information, and then update it again with any updated information. Now, when you go back to your dashboard, you are signed up automatic due payments. If it's an error, you can contact staff and you can update your payment information on file in the dashboard by going to update your profile payment information. Okay, so that is the sequence for you to set up your auto pay. It's very quick and easy. You're always welcome to call into HCAR staff in order to get your login information and to guide you through this process.